So the weather is fantastic, it's warm, it's lovely, and of course you can enjoy an ice cream for your dessert. But I have got a delicious, light, creamy, cooling, fantastic no-bake cheesecake specially for you. It's got a lovely crunchy base and it's got layers of peanut butter cream cheese. It's got chocolate cream cheese. It's got chocolate ganache and it's finished with caramelized peanuts. Absolute delight. So let's get baking. And oh no, it's a no-bake cheesecake. Sorry. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any of my recipes. So here I have got a 10-inch cake tin and it's a spring form cake tin, and I'm just going to grease this, and I've got a piece of baking sheet, baking paper, and just I've got 2 little strips here because it just makes the easier for the cheesecake to come out. Here I have got 250 grams of chocolate digestives, which I'm just going to put in a Ziploc bag. In goes the 250 grams of biscuits. To these biscuits, I'm going to add 100 grams of melted butter. It's unsalted butter. Just mix it all up. And this mix just goes in our prepared cake tin. This is now going to go in the fridge for half an hour. In here, I'm going to start with the cream base, and for that I have got 600 grams of cream cheese. And I'm just going to beat it for a few seconds. Once it is nice and a bit loose, I'm going to add 100 grams of icing sugar to this, and again beat it for a few seconds until it's all combined well. Next goes in a teaspoon of vanilla extract just for added flavor. I'm also adding 400 ml of double cream to this, and then I'm just going to bring everything together until it's slightly stable. So I am just going to, the whole of the cream cheese mix, I'm just going to divide into 2 equalish portions, and I'm going to add 2 different flavors to both these layers. So in 1 portion of the cream cheese mix, I'm going to add 100 grams of peanut butter. I have got here crunchy peanut butter, but if you want you can use smooth. And then I'm going to mix it all up, just blend it. This is so good. I love a little bit of crunch, so I like to use crunchy peanut butter. You can use the smooth one. So now this has, shouldn't be wearing black when working with cream, and shouldn't be wearing white when working with spices. So anyways, I've got this biscuit base which has set in the fridge, and now the peanut butter mix goes on top, and this is going to go back in the fridge for at least half an hour. Just try and spread it as smooth as you possibly can. So add the roasted peanuts, turn the heat off, mix it up well, and then I'm going to turn it over on this piece of baking sheet and let it cool down completely. I have got the other half of our cream cheese, and I have got 100 grams of melted chocolate. Now this one is 40% cocoa, and I melted it and cooled it completely. You don't want to add hot chocolate to your cream. Just mix it up. Chocolate layer goes on top of our set peanut butter cream cheese layer. Then I'm just going to spread it evenly and put it back in the fridge for half an hour. So just as evenly as you can. Here I'm going to make a quick chocolate ganache. I've got 200 ml of double cream. I will just bring it to a boil. I've got 120 grams of chocolate. Half of it is dark chocolate and half of it is milk chocolate. So I've just combined what I had at home, and I'm just going to pour the hot cream over it and leave it alone for a few seconds. The cheesecake is all set. We've got all the layers complete and it's going to rest in the fridge. You can rest it for 4 to 5 hours. So you start in the morning and then you have it for dessert after dinner, or best is to leave overnight so you can enjoy it all set next day. So I'm just going to break this up. Oops. I'm just going to cover and break this up a little bit. Ooh, lovely. Okay. And now I'm going to get the cheesecake out of this box. It's been sitting in here all night. So this is the tricky bit. Right, moment of truth. Oh, lovely. Look at that. Slide it. Yeah! Did it! Now I will finish. Truth. Okay. And look at that. That was one of the best cheesecakes I've made. That is divine. And that brittle on top is what is making it special. So much loveliness from that topping. Oh guys, this is so good. Please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up. Oh, let me know your thoughts. And I'll see you very soon with another new recipe. Don't forget to subscribe.